When you delete a file, do you think it's actually gone forever? Most people believe once you press delete, that's forever. But the truth is, your file might still be on your computer right now. Welcome to Kofi Emma, where I break tech into a simple way that anyone can understand. Let's keep this simple. When you delete a file, it does not immediately disappear from your device. Instead, your system just marks that space as available. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a notebook and you erase a sentence. The page is still there. You've just made a new space to write something new. That is exactly how deletion works. Your file is still sitting on your computer, but your computer is allowed to overwrite it at any time. That is why sometimes you can recover deleted files. Tools like Recover or Disk Drill can scan your storage and bring back those deleted files, as long as they have not been overwritten yet. Now, here is something important. When you empty your recycle bin or delete something permanently, it still doesn't mean the file is completely gone. It means your system is ready to replace it. Over time, as you use your device more, new files overwrite the old one. And that is when it becomes truly unrecoverable, meaning you can never get it back. In simple things, it means deleting a file does not destroy it immediately. It just hides it and waits for something else to take its space. Now, here is where this matters in real life. If you are selling your laptop or your phone, just deleting files is not enough. You need to properly wipe your storage using a special tool or a full reset. Because if not, someone else will be able or might access your old files. And that includes photos, videos, documents, and other personal information. If this taught you something new, please subscribe to Kofi Emma for more simple tech explanations. In the next video, I'll break down how the internet actually works. See you in the next one.